The alligator clamps are copper, which is really nice. That's important. You want them to be copper. So far, the quality of this is really nice. I like this kit. Oh my word. See, this is what this company is doing right. First of all, the presentation's really nice. Second of all, it comes with a handle, so you can actually carry it. Most jump starters do not come with a handle. You got a battery indicator light by pressing the power button. Press and hold to turn the actual light on. Emergency SOS. Nice. Very nice so far. I like the design. It's like a rugged, it's got like this rugged design to it. So connecting to your vehicle is pretty much really simple. Go ahead, line up your cables like this. You'll hear a little beep. It's gonna light up. Go ahead and connect your positive to positive, negative to negative, and we'll show you guys that in one moment. But you got a Type-C cable, a Type-C port, 2 USB ports, and your DC output. What's cool about this is you can go ahead and connect this, and then you can connect a 12 volt to this. So anything with a 12 volt plug can easily be connected to this. Air compressor, you know, anything and anything on the go. I still can't get over how nice this is. Like that, just having a handle, wow. That's impressive. And I've reviewed probably 100 jump starters in my career so far. I'm really enjoying this one. Probably in the top 10. We'll see how it performs. All right, guys. So you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.